My name is Tianle Liu, and I'm here to do the probability homework for problem 2. And let's you can see the share screen on the monitor, and let's see the problem description. And now we have the random variable x is uniform in interval -1 to 1. We need to find the gx, which represents the y equals to gx, and satisfied that the fy equals to this one. Okay, for this problem, we can see from the clues that there's a picture to compare the capital Fx to the capital Fy, and to see what is the random variable x is uniform in the interval. We can have a graph like this. We have a graph like this, and usually this is the -1. This is the 1, and for now, we can compare it to the Fy, which is looks like this. Sorry. Yeah. So by the hint, we need to find a point. That point for the Fx equals to Fy to find the relationship between y and x. Right? So in this case, we know that for the function of this, of x, we should have this one. And for the function of y, since in the question there's a description and the formula of this. So by the hint, by the clues of the homework 4 given by professor, we get this one for the Fy, which is it can satisfy the integral of the Fyy, right? So we need to make up an equation for this one, right? And let's do the calculation. And here's the steps for the calculation. We get the formula of the y, which is we can find the gx, that is satisfy this one, satisfy the requirements of the problem. And for this one, maybe we can do the test for this one. Firstly, we need to find the fx. Since to test this one, we need to use this formula, right? We already get the gx. So it's not hard to find its derivative. So we need to find the fx to do that. For the fx, we can do the derivative of fx. And we will use the calculator. And for this one, we can get 1 over 2. So it will be the 1 over 2. And the derivative of the gx will equals to we'll get this one by the calculator. So this will be like this. To remove the absolute bar, because the x is greater than the -1 and the less than the 1, which means the 1 minus x must equal greater than 0. So we don't need to worry about the absolute bar. And for now, we have the 1 minus x over 2. And by this one, by the formula, we can get the x is equals to 1 minus 2 e with the order of the negative y. Thus, we can get this one to e of negative y and over 2, and the e with negative y. And with the step function, thus, we tested and find it satisfied the problem description. Thus, it's proof that we have the right gx, which is gx equals to negative ln 1 minus x over 2. And that's the answer for this question.